Hi everybody, welcome to this Getting Started guide on Apache, Kafka, and Scalyr. My name is Joel Mora, and I'm a technical account manager here at Scalyr. This series is going to show you how to configure Scalyr with Kafka. Let's talk about what this series is not and what some key assumptions are. First of all, this is not a Kafka tutorial. I've linked to a very useful Kafka tutorial in the description below. So if you're unfamiliar with Kafka, particularly the distributed mode of Kafka, I would recommend taking a look at that first. Some other assumptions are that you already have a Kafka cluster up and running, and you could spin up a simple Nginx web server and install FileB. Let's talk about some of the key learning objectives that you should take away from this Getting Started guide. First, you're going to set up the Scalyr sync connector in Kafka. Next, you will learn some configuration options as they affect things upstream. This video uses FileB and is going to be using some default mappings that we have, but you're going to also learn how to do custom mappings if you're bringing in custom data from some other system other than FileB. You'll learn some more advanced configuration options like batch size, compression level, and timeouts. Then you'll learn some configuration options on the Scalyr side, like setting parsers, making sure you have the right server host and log file names, and how to map these, and what to think about when you're actually mapping these, because they make the UI function best. Then when we're in the Scalyr environment, we're going to show where those fields are going to show up, and then how to build some dashboards and roll up that data so it's useful to you. So without further ado, let's talk about Kafka.